Hello you YouTube you. Hey, look what we've got. Lovely. Here's the flying field in all its underwater glory. Plus the field beyond. And this is quite deep. This is probably in places at least 2 feet, maybe more in depth. And this seems to have sort of appeared overnight. There has been a lot of rain. There's too much wind. It's today, what, it's 20 gusting 40, isn't it? Something like that. Yeah, it's just crazy wind. But, you know, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So it looks like I might be busting out some floats on a couple of models. So hopefully, you know, the water now won't drain away before we get to that stage, but we'll see. We're definitely into the wet season and the floats only season for flying up at our field, we called it. Anyway, YouTube, that's an update. This is literally the last video of 22. What's the date? It's the 29th, isn't it? Yeah, 29th of December. I'll probably post this in New Year. So, see you guys and girls. Have fun wherever you are. Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye.